Okay, step 5. Right, this is your underlay, which is sort of self-adhesive. Peel back, and it's strong. That's your underlay. Right, let's go up. That's your overlay. That's why it's hanging here. Let's put on first because this is then going to go over. So let's go up the ladder. Oh, here we go. Right, there's the black stuff, which is bitumen undercoat. Right, so as you can see here, I've measured strips of 2.6, but yours could be different. And what you do is you start in the middle, you hang it over 50mm that side to tuck under, 50mm that side to tuck under, and then you nail it down, you walk on it, you get a nice bit there. And then the other thing you must remember on this is you don't need to overlap it. You don't need to lap this over here, so water can, because this is underlay and the overlay is going across that. If you overlap that, which I've made a mistake in the past myself, when you put the overlay on, you get all these extra ridges going down and it looks ugly. Not needed. Put the next bit on. Obviously it's over hanging, so you've got to cut that bit off, dress that bit up. So put this next bit on the same as that other side, and that's how to do it.